sorry. Who you like to, Tiger? Who you like to, yes. Mahal pala yung ano, paano rito? Yung supplement. Mali pala yung paano. Mahal pala yung paano dito. Wala na nag-glitch to. Hey, can you clean up? You put it behind, I can play one at the box. Behind puddles. So, behind puddles daw. So, kakayain ba natin yun? Behind puddles. Mahirap yung behind puddles. Ikaw ba naman magta-try nung behind puddles? Try natin ito. Sige, Lee. Okay. Accept the job. Okay. O, clean na natin. So, paano natin i-clean? Una, kuha natin yung map. Tapos, behind up puddles. Puddles daw eh. PODDLs. Para magkaroon ng 150 bucks. So, may gagawin tayong kabalagbagan. So, contest machine talker. Hindi ko magagawa. Saan yung behind the puddles? No, type get codes from links for free rewards. Mag-i-try pa tayo ng behind the puddles. Kaya natin yon. So, mahirapan po tayo niyan. So, paano po tayo makaka-try niyan? Yun ang hirap sa atin. Ayoko na guys, ayoko na. Try pa kasi natin yun. Reborn Swordman. Ayun guys. So sorry. Out.